it's the graph of 1 over x minus 3. So I'm going to draw two graphs again. First, I'm going to graph the bottom. I'll do that in green. So in green, I'll graph y equals x minus 3. And then in blue, I'll graph y equals 1 over x minus 3. So first of all, in green, if y equals mx plus b, you know that you have a y-intercept at minus 3 and the slope of 1, so up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1, 1, up 1, over 1. And I could label some of these points. I labeled a lot of points. Then on my reciprocal graph, the key point. What is our non-permissible value here? Can you see that your non-permissible value x cannot equal 3 because that would make you divide by 0. That also matches up with the x-intercept of the original graph. So when I go to x equals 3, I'm going to draw a vertical asymptote at x equals 3 as a non-permissible value. And since my y values keep getting bigger and bigger, you will have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. What's going to happen to 5, 2? It's going to be 5, 1 over 2. What's going to happen to 4, 1? It's going to stay 4, 1. What's going to happen to 2, negative 1? It's going to stay 2, negative 1. What about 0, negative 3? 0, 1 over negative 3. Now, if we go towards our asymptotes carefully, not to go through them, not to get farther away, we're able to draw our final graph. Then in part B, it says, can we say the domain and range of our blue graph? Well, there's a really easy way to write the domain. Because there's only one non-permissible value, you can just say x cannot equal 3. Sometimes on exams, they'll also have this. Along grade 12, if you wrote just x can equal 3, you get full marks. If you wanted to clarify x can be everything else, that's what that comma xer means, perfectly fine. Okay? You could also write this, and this might show up on the exam, in set notation. How do we do set notation? I'm sorry, this is set notation. Interval notation, you'd start at negative infinity and you would get to 3 but not include it. Then you'd start again on the other side at 3 and go all the way to infinity. And when we have two different intervals, we put a u in between. This is interval notation for the domain. If it asks you for the domain, you can choose, and most people choose, oh, x can't equal 3, that's easier. But if it was a multiple choice and the answers looked in interval notation, you have to be able to recognize them. Same thing, range. Super easy to just say y can equal 0. You wanted to add more, y can be everything else. But this could also be in interval notation. From negative infinity to 0, and then again from 0 to infinity. All right, circle questions 6 and 7, practice.